Preliminary investigation shows it is a IED device and we are examining it.
In a shocking incident, 3 explosions rocked the Christian group's convention center in Kalamassery, Kerala during a Sunday morning prayer meeting, leaving 3 persons dead and 52 injured. Initial findings point to an improvised explosive device use. A man named Dominic Martin claimed responsibility for the blast and surrendered to police in Thrissur, though his involvement in the explosion is yet to be confirmed.
जहां एक और बम ब्लास्ट की घटना की मैं निंदा करता हूं, लेकिन उसके पीछे आपको ये भी देखना होगा। कुछ दिन पहले ही कांग्रेस का आशीर्वाद और एक तरह से कम्युनिस्टों के नाक तले समर्थन के साथ वहां पर हमास के आतंकवादी संगठनों के तकरीर करते हैं, ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम होता है, हजारों लोग इकट्ठे होते हैं और वहां की सरकार कार्रवाई नहीं करती है। आखिरकार ये कांग्रेस और कम्युनिस्ट इनका समर्थन इनको क्यों? एक भी नेता राहुल गांधी जी से लेकर शशि थरूर जी तक या इनके पार्टी के अध्यक्ष हो, किसी ने भी उस पर कोई बात नहीं की, कोई सवाल नहीं खड़े किए, चुपचाप समर्थन दिया है। इन आतंकी संगठनों का इस तरह से भारत में तकरीर करना और जहां के सांसद श्रीमान राहुल गांधी हैं जिस राज्य से, उनका कुछ ना बोलना इनकी चुप्पी साफ दिखाती है। कांग्रेस चुपचाप इनको समर्थन कर रही है। अब वहां पर बम धमाके होते हैं, निर्दोष लोगों की जान जाती है, भारत में बवाल खड़ा करने की बात की जाती है। आखिर ये कौन लोग हैं जो बाहर से यहां पर फसाद करवाना चाहते हैं, वातावरण खराब करना चाहते हैं, मीडिया से लेकर सड़कों तक बवाल खड़ा करवाना चाहते हैं, और कांग्रेस और कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी चुपचाप इनका समर्थन भी कर रही है और इनके खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई भी नहीं कर रही।
Prior to surrendering, Martin posted a video on social media claiming responsibility for the blast and stating his motives.
Yeah, that's what I told you earlier also. In particular, one person has surrendered in Kodagara police station in Thrissur rural in the morning, claiming that he has done it. His name is Dominic Martin, and he claims that he belongs to the same group of Sabha. We are verifying it.
So, sir, like, are you doing any psychiatric evaluation or anything like that?
It's only hardly 3-4 hours. We are into job. We are only into preliminary job.
Sir, have you examined the CCTV footages? Have you been
We are looking into all aspects of this case.
Okay, sir. The NIA teams have arrived. Is this going to be a coordinated investigation?
See, madam, in any such instances, all the investigative agencies work together and try to find out a solution. Thank you.
And what are what's the preliminary findings of NIA? Did they share that kind of investigation?
It's not a case of preliminary finding. It's a joint effort. We are investigating into it. So far, this is what the information which I can tell.
So, did you get any information about the materials used in the blast? Is it IED?
It's all part of investigation, madam.
So, regarding is it IED actually? Can you confirm that, sir?
We are all investigating all these angles.
Sir, the man who has surrendered himself, what has he said so far? And do you think there is any truth?
No, we will verify it and we will inform you.
So, where was this blast happen?
Inside the hall.
Inside hall, where?
Center part of the hall.
Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan responded to a union minister's remarks, criticizing those spreading poison and emphasizing the ongoing investigation's integrity. Health Minister Veena George urged all health workers to return immediately and instructed health and medical departments to provide the best treatment for the injured.
I do not know. At the moment, I can only say that this is a horrific tragedy. Crime against law, crime against constitution, crime against humanity. These things are not to be absolutely unacceptable in a rule of law society, in a democracy. My heart goes out to the victims of this tragedy, to the person and the person who has lost his life, their family. All my sympathies are with them, and the way this blast has been used to disturb the congregation, a peaceful congregation, absolutely condemnable. So at this moment I can only say that we all feel the pain, the whole society feels the pain, and I'm sure that the law and order enforcement agencies will act in a manner so that there is no repetition of this kind ever in future.
In response to the tragic incident, Chief Minister Vijayan also announced a 20-member police team to lead the investigation. An all-party meeting in Kerala has also been called.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.